Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Ethnetics. So in this video, we will discuss about some 2022 CPET physics questions. So let's begin. And here is the first question of the session, that is, elastic potential energy in a stressed wire is given by, and the options are half stress by strain, half stress into strain, 2 stress into strain, and stress into strain. Actually, the options are given according to the elastic potential energy density. So the answer will be half stress into strain. Then Lagrangian of simple pendulum is L equal to half ml square theta dot square minus mgl 1 minus cos theta. Choose the wrong expression with respect to the given Lagrangian. And here the option you can see. So let's come to the solution. So we have to find p theta, that is del L by del theta dot, which is equal to ml square theta dot. So this option is right. Then from this expression we can find that 1 by theta dot del L by del theta dot is equal to ml square. So option D is also correct. So let's check what is option B. So p theta dot, that is equal to del L by del theta, that is equal to minus mgl sin theta, which is not matched. So option B is the wrong expression. Also we can check option C by the equation d by dt del L by del theta dot minus del L by del theta is equal to 0. So here our answer will be option B, that is p theta dot is equal to m by gl sin theta, because this is the wrong expression. Then the Lagrangian of a free particle in spherical polar coordinate system H L equal to half m r dot square plus r square theta dot square indicates. And the options are r dot is cyclic, theta dot is cyclic, theta is cyclic, and p theta is not conjugate. We know that whenever the Lagrangian function does not contain a coordinate qk explicitly, the generalized momentum pk is constant of motion and the coordinate qk is called the cyclic coordinate. So here theta is the cyclic coordinate and p theta is also conjugate. So the answer will be theta is cyclic, option C. Then the correct set of Hamiltonian equation of motion with h is equal to, h is the function of qx, px and t refers. We know that qk dot is equal to del h by del pk and pk dot is equal to minus del h by del qk. So by match this formula to this option, we can find that option C is the correct answer. Then find the eigenvalue of operator q, that is equal to I d by dx for the wave function where the eigenstate of psi is given by 1 by root 2 e to the power ix. Here the options are 1 by root 2 minus I, 1 by root 2 I, and minus 1. So let's see what will be its solution. Here in the question it has been given that the operator q is equal to I d by dx and the wave function psi is equal to 1 by root 2 e to the power ix. We know that when an operator operates in a function that is equal to q psi is equal to lambda psi, and here lambda is the eigenvalue. So let's check it. So I d by dx 1 by root 2 e to the power ix, and it's come out to be minus 1 I by root 2 e to the power ix, that is minus lambda psi. And here from here we can find that lambda value is coming out to be minus 1. So here the answer will be minus 1. Then in van der Waals gas equation, P plus A by V square, V minus B, that is equal to RT, the term A by V square represents. And the options are effective area of a molecule, mean velocity of gas molecule, volume occupied by gas molecule, and D is the attractive force between the molecules. And here the right answer will be attractive force between the molecules. Sorry. The operator form of x plus px square for x and px are the x component of a position and the momentum operator is expressed h. So here the x and the px are the operator. So let's see what will be its answer. So when we operate it with the wave function psi and solved it, we can found that the value is come out to be x square minus h cot square del square by del x square minus I h cot 2x del by del x plus 1. So here the option C is the correct answer. Then 20 gram of ice where the latent heat is 80 calorie per gram at 0 degree Celsius is converted into water at same temperature. The change in entropy will be, and the options are 5.86 calorie per Kelvin, 2.93 calorie per Kelvin, 7.24 calorie per Kelvin and 4.36 calorie per Kelvin. So in the question it has been given the mass of the ice as 20 gram, the latent heat is 80 calorie per gram, the temperature is 0 degree Celsius. So by converting it into Kelvin we can found it as 273 Kelvin and the ice is converted into water. So here the change in entropy, that is del S, is equal to, we know that, del Q by T. So here we can use the formula for del Q, ml by T, that is 20 into 80 by 273. Here I am not converting the gram into kg because both this mass of the ice and the latent heat will cancel out each other, I mean the gram unit. So the answer will be 5.86 calorie per Kelvin. The wave function of a certain particle in the region, that is x from 0 to L, is given by psi is equal to a sin x. For a be normalization constant, the correct value of normalization constant a will be, and I think there should be a modification in the psi value, that is a sin x could be sin x by L or something, and here the options are L by root 2, 2 by root L, root over of L by 2 and root over of 2 by L. So let's see what will be its solution. So we know that to find the normalization constant we use the equation that is integration from 0 to L psi star psi dx is equal to 1. So by solving it we can found that the a value is coming out to be root over of 2 by L minus sine 2L by 2. Here the options are not matched. Then light of wavelength 3500 Armstrong is incident on two metals A and B. Which metal will yield more photoelectrons if their work functions are 5 electron volt and 2 electron volt respectively? And the options are A, B, A and B and C. So let's see. Here the lambda is given as 3500 Armstrong, that is constant for both of the case, that is for A metal and for B metal, and the work function of A is 5 electron volt where the work function for B is 2 electron volt. So from these two values we can found that for A metal the intensity is 1.2 into 10 to the power 15 and for metal B it will be 4.82 into 10 to the power 14, and we know that more intensity more photoelectrons will emit, so the answer will be A. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So for more videos please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.